Hey everyone, it's Chastity with AI with Chastity. Today in AI and cybersecurity, we've got some wild stories. From the FBI director's email getting hacked by Iranian hackers to OpenAI shutting down Sora because it was just too expensive to run. Plus, Google just dropped a brand new AI model for scientists, and Microsoft patched 93 vulnerabilities, including 2 days. Let's dive in. First up in cybersecurity, this is huge. Iranian hackers linked to their Ministry of Intelligence breached FBI Director Kash Patel's personal email account. They leaked documents and photos, though the FBI says it was all historical data from 2010 to 2019. But here's the thing, even personal accounts of high-profile officials are now fair game for state-sponsored hackers. This is a wake-up call about the blurred lines between personal and professional security. Next, CISA just added a critical F5 Big IP vulnerability to their known exploited vulnerabilities catalog. CVE 2025-53521 has a CVSS score of 9.3 and allows remote code execution. If you're running F5 Big IP Access Policy Manager, you need to patch now. This is an active threat, and attackers are already exploiting it to get into corporate networks. Microsoft's March patch Tuesday was massive. 93 vulnerabilities fixed, including 2 days. One is an SQL Server privilege escalation flaw, the other a net denial of service bug. Both were publicly disclosed before patches were available, which means attackers had a head start. If you haven't patched yet, make it a priority. And watch out for Citrix NetScaler users. There's a critical memory overread bug, CVE 2026-3055, and threat actors are actively scanning for vulnerable devices. This is the reconnaissance phase before mass exploitation, so if you're using NetScaler as a SAML identity provider, patch immediately. Now let's switch gears to AI. Google just launched Gemini 3 DeepThink, a new model designed specifically for scientific and engineering workloads. It's available now for Ultra subscribers and through early API access. This is Google's play to dominate the enterprise and research market with specialized AI, not just general chatbots. The White House dropped a comprehensive national AI policy framework with legislative recommendations. It covers child protection, intellectual property, free speech, and national competitiveness. The big goal? A unified federal standard to prevent a patchwork of conflicting state regulations. This could shape the AI industry for years to come. And here's the shocker. OpenAI shut down Sora, their text-to-video model, because the compute costs were just unsustainable. Even with all their funding, they couldn't make the economics work. This is a reality check for the entire generative video AI space. If OpenAI can't afford it, who can? That's your AI and cybersecurity brief for March 29th. From FBI email breaches to Google's new scientific AI model, it's been a packed day. If you want the full deep dive with analysis and takeaways, check out my Substack article. Link in bio and comments. Like, comment, and subscribe to my Substack AI with Chastity. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates. Stay secure, stay informed.